Hello, my name's Rebecca, and this is Your Bourbon Journey. Welcome to episode 39 of Thirsty Thursday Cocktails. For tonight's inspiration, I have this really fun and awesome bottle of Chicken Cock Private Cask. It is a single barrel. It is phenomenal. It has great notes of cherry, vanilla, and some nuttiness to it. And I thought, this has got to be a cocktail. So tonight, we're going to make the Black Walnut Roost. It's a riff on a Manhattan, and I'm looking forward to sharing it with you now. But first, let's talk about the ingredients that we need to make this cocktail. Of course, we need a fantastic bourbon, and as I mentioned, I selected the Chicken Cock Private Cask Single Barrel. It has a lovely 125 plus proof point that's going to make this Manhattan sing. Second, we're going to use a Sweet Vermouth to bring forward some of those cherry notes that we have. And to bring out that nuttiness that we discovered in this chicken cock, we're going to use Black Walnut Bitters. We're going to top it off with a cherry to bring out those extra cherry notes that we also discovered. So let's go ahead and get started if you're ready, and let's make this cocktail together. So first, we're going to take our Chicken Cock Private Cask here with this lovely little rooster on top, and we are going to use 2 full ounces of this very robust bourbon. We'll place it right into our mixing glass to get us started. Now we're going to have the Sweet Vermouth, which will be 1 ounce, very much like a Manhattan recipe, as you're probably familiar with. One ounce of the Sweet Vermouth, and I always like how that adds a really nice color tone as well. The Black Walnut Bitters, 3 dashes. It's going to really bring forward that nuttiness that's also in the Chicken Cock bourbon. Great. I'm going to give it a very light stir to start with. Here we go. And we will add ice to chill this and dilute it just a bit because I said it is 125 proof. We'll stir about 30 seconds, but we'll be back quicker than that. This is feeling very nicely chilled. We're going to use a Coupe glass today, which is a great way to drink a Manhattan. We're going to strain it into our Coupe glass, just like that. It's got some pretty color on it, doesn't it? And because it's special, it's a special Thursday night, right? We're going to add this lovely Luxardo Cherry. Woo, you can drip in there too. Right into our cocktail glass. It's going to bring that little note of cherry, and then when we're done with drinking it, we can have that cherry as well. Cheers to the Black Walnut Roost. Happy Thursday. That definitely has that proof on it. You can taste the notes of that Chicken Cock Private Cask. Got that cherry and vanilla and this nuttiness coming forward. The vermouth really softens it up a bit, giving some hints of cherry in there, making it a little bit sweeter. And then the black walnut, that just brings all that nuttiness out. And it's just this cornucopia of good flavor. And the aromas, oh my goodness. It just smells delightful. Have you tried a high proof cocktail lately since we've been talking about this? I'd love to hear from you. And what's your favorite chicken cock whiskey? We have several here at home, and we tried this one at the tasting room in Bardstown, Kentucky, and fell in love with the Private Cask. So let me know in the comments what your favorite chicken cock might be. And have you made any cocktails with it? So drop a comment, let me know what you think. And while you're there, hit that subscribe button. We're getting really close to our 1-year anniversary, and we're trying to get as many subscribers as possible. And if you're not one already, I'd sure love for you to become one and join us every Thirsty Thursday. So for tonight, as always, I ask you to please remember to drink responsibly and have a most fabulous, luscious Black Walnut Roost Thirsty Thursday. Cheers.